Hello everyone, Sarah here. Welcome back to FTC, Funded Trader Capital. Today we're continuing with how to help you become a funded trader with FTC. Today we're going to talk about minimum trading days. The minimum trading days on our challenges are 10 days. But you don't need to be consistently trading for 10 days. Professional traders don't trade every day. So take your time to plan and analyse high profitability trades. Please note, the minimum trading days requirement does not continue once you've passed your challenge. So you need a minimum of 10 days trading per phase 1 in order to pass your evaluation. One trading day is a day where the user opens a trade. Once you've successfully completed phase 2, in phase 3, you don't need 10 minimum days. You'll receive 80% of the profits you generate with weekly payouts. However, you'll still need to maintain the same consistency rules and keep your maximum daily loss to 5% and your maximum overall loss to 8%. FTC, turning your dreams into reality.